If your Rheem tankless water heater starts beeping, it usually means the system has detected a problem and is alerting you through an error code shown on the display or remote panel. These codes help identify exactly what's going wrong so you can troubleshoot faster. For example, code 11 normally points to an ignition failure, often caused by gas supply issues or a faulty igniter, while code 12 means flame failure, where the unit cannot properly detect combustion. Codes 14 or 16 usually relate to overheating, which can happen because of mineral buildup inside the heat exchanger, blocked airflow, or a bad temperature sensor. If you see codes 0, 5, or 90, they often indicate combustion or ventilation problems such as dirty air filters or blocked exhaust vents. Meanwhile, code 29 commonly signals low or restricted water flow caused by clogged filters, closed valves, or a faulty flow sensor. To fix most beeping issues, start with simple checks like confirming the gas valve is open, ensuring vents are clear, and cleaning both air and water filters. Mineral buildup is another common cause, especially in hard water areas, so flushing the system yearly using a vinegar solution helps prevent overheating and efficiency loss. Also, inspect for leaks, corrosion, or debris buildup since these can slowly lead to bigger failures. Always switch off the power and gas supply before doing any maintenance, and if the beeping continues after basic troubleshooting, it's safest to contact a qualified technician for a full inspection and diagnostic test.